back again to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. Please, my amazing people, subscribe on this channel, share our video, and also give our video thumbs. Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back again to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, we don't carry another to reward come again. What we want to talk about today, we talk about Enogie wife and Mrs. Iyobosa for their ongoing saga. My people, e don settle. This one so Enogie wife come out. He can't call Mrs. Iyobosa say akpe kusumo. See what when they come out for married woman. Okay, she never married. See what when they come out for woman mad for social media. My people, not when we not go here for inside social media. My people, the story Iwowo well. They come they give themselves woto. Wetin I come tell like Mrs. Iyobosa, she not keep quiet. Before she be dey keep quiet, either they talk to her. But this one, she can't say lie, she not go keep quiet again. Say who not rich person talk to person, you go talk to am back. Not be me talk am o, na wetin commenters talk. Now we dey talk. My people, before we go start, please, my amazing people, if you know see you never subscribe to this channel, please support your girl by subscribing and also on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any video una will receive our video. Please, my amazing people, subscription are free. Please support your girl, support somebody's mom, somebody's side chick, somebody's sugar mommy, somebody's wife to be. Support us by subscribing. God bless you by doing that. I really appreciate you. Now you people are really doing a great job on this channel and I like and God bless you. I'm so happy. I thank you for this amazing support. I thank you all for the amazing support. So my people, una know now say this channel is all about comment. We dey go through comments when commenters drop, and before we go through the comments, we would like to play small audio of the video give una so that una will know some comments una go understand the reason why people drop that comment. We would like to drop play small audio and we'll analyze the audio before we will go on the comment section, my amazing people. So let's go on the audio. More here waiting Enogie wife talk. Okay, waiting she tell Mrs. Iyobosa. This saga sweet too. So my people, more now hear the audio.
As the toto like 2 so your baby father prick go your be
imagine
carrot why you chew this
imagine the cockability. Imagine waiting they come out for our mouth.
See your toto be like wow yeah work and get what your toto be like my work and toto. My twins, the all can wait they said, and the toto your be, and so my work and toto your be. Oh, yeah, twin, winning. See, man, before you talk to me, you see the toto, I see. Mama, I got me, Papa. Oh, yeah. Go and meet Papa. Go and meet Papa, okay? Go and meet Daddy. Go and meet Daddy. Again, good girl. See, nice sleep don't master you. Is that after 10? Now we could enter bed. Yeah, Joe, they never sleep.
What talk for where she say the kpekus is small. My people, Enogie wife, waiting your eye go find for inside Mrs. Iyobosa kpekus. Waiting your eye go find for, and the word not even heavy for your mouth at all. You just put your mouth, put on boy. At least still call her kpekus. Say in case we dey talk about the video, we'll play your video for inside YouTube. Woman, see waiting woman they talk. And waiting your eye go find for that woman kpekus. You don't look her leg, you look her head, you look everywhere. You can't look. I don't say you don't look the breast, so now kpekus you can't go look. My people may more regard day. Okay. The word heavy sha. E no heavy her for mat o. People. Not the way Musa no go see for gate o. Not the way we know we see for inside social media. More continue.
I better change that bed because that bed is too small. La will go because it can never be in a mudia. You will not fit come out. Let me put my own for new one. They will just sit there because that your I say see that your bed your shake it. Say a yellow now 140 times 200. That you see they use family bed for that matter. God forbid. I bet try me you upgrade all those your tithes. When they show your 2 naira, when they show your 2 euro toto, try me you upgrade because your fans are not call you say your toto on the ground today I'll be waiting. Toto no land we have ne how wrote away now. Oh yeah, you can go to mana go away because when it to no stay, but that toto small na toto see come my your see you want come out. No wonder because that guy to turn on a bad luck because it feel like more begin to talk. Who of you can if now? So now if it's now you still fit your Musa. So go when you off it Musa.
Ogobo talk. He say Mrs. Iyobosa bed. Me I no get why they support to. I just dey on my own. But I get who I love. For this social media, I get who I love. I get who I will fit talk to, call her name. I get who I no go fit talk to. And even though the person do bad thing, I no go talk to that person because of the love. Now so it dey be. Everybody gets who he love for this social media. For this one, me I no get who I dey support. I just like both of them. You say Mrs. Iyobosa bed, Mrs. Iyobosa bed, Imetwen. We never want day, Enogie wife, we never want day priceless. See your bedroom. I beg, still try. May you show your bedroom. We would like to still see your bedroom. Most still see the kind big beds when you dey use for your bedroom. Okay, my beautiful, amazing, priceless. Okay, so my people, more continue now. More list is more. More list is more. I dey enjoy the gist.
Musa negate man who you were who any of it. You go out back one where they talk on my own. Can you talk to anyone? No sister say I never mention any name since now. I just talk on my own.
You just dey talk on your own.
Don't me sit today.
Story. Okay.
No wonder the toto they bring bad luck on for you. Not you to toto they try to better people. From 2 Igbo man from 2 Igbo man to Musa. So Tiri. Sabarela wa to boyo kan wa ko bia wa ko do every boyfriend o we ate boyfriend lelewe wa ko do lelewe wa kele na wa bi ni bi ha o ke wa ke o me wa bi ni kise cause when me beg na when it to engbe my when it to engbe my girl no bi ni Musa ana je tight we no wa mi wo ka tinye we ya bi wo ka you and I no like to know no
now wow, nothing when we not go see for inside Benin market. Nothing when we not go see for inside Benin market. So you say no get wife priceless. You say the woman don't marry a many husband. Like I said before, everybody get different luck. You get where you go, you'll get favor. You get where you go, no matter how you do, no matter how you respect that person, favor no go like come from there. So no mock anybody. If for say no be sense and many things, you maybe your enemies for don't still turn to who born for one man, the man can't still abandon her. So some people no dey fit take am. You fit take am, you fit be mumu for your own. And not be everybody dey fit take man nonsense. So no dey judge anybody. Mona no dey come and say woman born for thousands of men. If she born for 100 men, say none of the man dey good. You not expect her to stay there. Mrs. Iyobosa when we see say Mrs. Iyobosa na person na person wey like life. She no be dolly person, so you no expect her say even though the man dey give her, dey maltreat her, make she still remain there because she wants to marry. My sister, no be everybody fit be like you. No be everybody fit take your nonsense. Some men even dey sef, you go even see dey take the nonsense for them. They no wan stay, they no go stay. No be by kpekus big go make man stay. Kpekus big, e no big. If man say e no go stay, e no go stay, my sister. So no judge anybody. You fit get luck say you dey mumu follow your man and the man still understand. Some men, even though you mumu follow them from now till tomorrow, they no wan understand, they no go understand. So no judge her. She born for 3 men, she born for 10 men. Na her choice. Okay, mo no dey judge people again. Dey pray, oh, may your own still work. May your own still work for you. Maybe say you born for one man, even though you wan leave am tomorrow, you fit leave am. You know say you born for one man. So my sister, Mrs. Iyobosa share her old picture when she never jam this man. Kpeku went small. See her husband now. You say Kpeku small, you know if he keep man, but this one, the Kpekus keep this man. So no be by Kpekus small big like my mouth. No be man take dey stay. If man no wan stay, he no go stay. No matter how you try to keep that man, if man no wan stay, he no go stay. Some amazing people, more go on the comment section, more see wetin people talk for this words, this video when she come and talk. More just read few of the comments. When I know say me, I dey read my own small. I don't want to read them again. I want to look at me, they tell you now wetin the person talk. So I will dey paste the comment, put for the video, so una go fit understand. Una know say a comment section the real reggae dey. Yes, so na there the real reggae dey. Our first commenter say, now wow, see wetin dey come out from woman mouth. You too na woman, nothing una no go do for the sake of monetize. Una know wetin be monetize na when your social media don dey pay you, na be monetize. So somebody come reply say, I just tire. So our next commenters come say, truth be told, if I be man, if they ask me between Enogie baby mama and Iyobosa, now who I go take? I go quickly take Iyobosa because she correct pass priceless for everything. So somebody come reply say, thank you pass, you no need opinion for those beautiful eyes of yours. My people, so our next commenters come say, see baby mama dey talk to married woman. Mama Nora, Mrs. Iyobosa Kpekus pass you in so many ways. If they put Mama Nora and Mrs. Iyobosa for show grass, men go rush Mrs. Iyobosa. So not dey body shape your fellow woman. And our next commenter come say, if they start to talk about your pikin now, you go dey cry. Imagine your daughter when never reach 2 years to 2 years Kpekus be like this. Then you need to go do operation for her because e no normal at all. If not before she go reach 10 years, her Kpekus go be like no be my mouth, I won't hear that one. No, now she carry, because this life, now she carry her daughter come on social media. Now they say why people they call her daughter name now she go carry pikin come on social media say e pikin Kpekus even big pass Mrs. Iyobosa Kpekus. So if people start to judge your pikin name now, they call your pikin name on social media, we go come dey say no dey call children name. Meanwhile, the mother na she carry her baby, her children name come on social media say e pikin kpekus big pass Mrs. Iyobosa kpekus. All the name must talk. Must you use your pikin do example for that kind bad example be that na. If you wan do example, use your pikin do good example, no be bad example say your pikin kpekus e be pass married woman kpekus. So my people, more continue. Our next commenter come say una be disgrace to Edo people. E just show that una be retire asha olosho. See wetin married woman dey talk on social media. The thing tire me o. The thing tire me say na where you dey carry now. Okay, he say na where you dey carry now. Must everybody has where as kpekus, I no wan dey put name, as kpekus enter house now. Una for this Euro sef, your mate dey school. I talk am yesterday say this Europe don spoil many things. Abroad spoil many things. Abroad spoil many things. So the next commenter come say, but wait o, una say priceless no. She say una sure say priceless no pump her because I never hear where they tell person to go upgrade kpekus for my life. This Ewi wife Mumusha. And our next commenter say your husband. Our next commenter say mommy triple A no get talk and topic. She dey force herself to be presenter. See wetin baby mama dey talk. She never comot the shade when dey her eyes o. And the same person come still reply say mommy triple A, you when your body don scatter. Your body don scatter. You born three, just leave yourself shapeless, always looking unkept. Even your kids see your belle and armpit mouth wide like kpekus. You still dey talk wowo girl like cream just dey help you. Who make you present herself? You won't begin the saga every presenters. No be sumo, no be me takamo, na presenters takamo. And the other person say, dress the way you want to be addressed. Our last commenter for today, say Mrs. Iyobosa born for still sexy. You mommy triple N, see as you be. Go look yourself for mirror. If government no pay you money, you and Enogie with your kids no go eat. See, because all our comment today, none of them support this woman to show say wetin she talk e no correspond. A married woman or a baby mama or a woman wey dey under man not suppose come out say something like this for media. A responsible woman not suppose come out come dey mock a fellow wife or a fellow woman say her kpekus small. So my people, I leave am for now. More than drop una whole opinion, wetin una think about this video wey we just do. Una know say as we dey edit, we go always paste the video for una to see. God bless you, my amazing people. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Please no fail to drop your comment, wetin you think about this video. And please, my amazing people, if you know say you don't dey come on this channel and you never subscribe, you know they like to subscribe to people, please, for my own change and beg, help me subscribe. Your one subscriber will go a long way for me. Your one subscriber will help me a lot. Your one subscriber will change this channel. You don't know. Please, please, please support your girl. Support somebody's mom. Support somebody sugar mommy. Support somebody side chick. Support somebody's wife to be. God bless you, my amazing people. Please not fail to share this video. Share to your WhatsApp, Facebook. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your wife, tell your family to subscribe. Support this girl. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye. Stay blessed. Bye.